friends, today we are going to learn the names of different birds. Let's go. What is this? Bulbul. Bulbul. What is this? Canary. Canary. What is this? Cock. Cock. What is this? Rooster. Rooster. What is this? Crane. Crane. What is this? Crow. Crow. What is this? Duck. Duck. What is this? Flamingo. Flamingo. What is this? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. What is this? Dove. Dove. What is this? Eagle. Eagle. What is this? Emu. Emu. What is this? Ostrich. Ostrich. What is this? Horned lark. Horned lark. What is this? Sparrow. Sparrow. What is this? Kingfisher. Kingfisher. What is this? Kiwi. Kiwi. What is this? Lophophorus. Lophophorus. What is this? Macaw. Macaw. What is this? Parrot. Parrot. What is this? Myna. Myna. What is this? Nightingale. Nightingale. What is this? Owl. Owl. What is this? Parrot. Parrot. What is this? Peacock. Peacock. What is this? Pelican. Pelican. What is this? Penguin. Penguin. What is this? Pigeon. Pigeon. What is this? Quail. Quail. What is this? Robin. Robin. What is this? Seagull. Seagull. What is this? Sparrow. Sparrow. What is this? Stork. Stork. What is this? Swan. Swan. What is this? Tailor bird. Tailor bird. What is this? Toucan bird. Toucan bird. What is this? Turkey. What is this? Vulture. What is this? Woodpecker. Dear kids, I hope you have learned names of different birds. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. We will come back with another exciting video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Olive Tree. Bye. Hope you have fun. Butterfly. Bye.